Everybody is looking for the secret to massive gains. But hold up, could boosting your testosterone be shrinking your testicles? Testosterone is the magic hormone behind muscle growth and strength. But here's the kicker, artificially boosting it can lead to testicular atrophy. Yeah, your testicles could actually shrink. When you flood your body with synthetic testosterone, your brain tells your testicles to take a break. No production needed, and they start to shrink. And it's not just about size. This can mess with fertility and overall health. So, what's the alternative? Natural methods like resistance training, good sleep, and a balanced diet can boost your testosterone without the risky side effects. If you're considering therapy, do it under medical supervision to avoid unwanted shrinkage. Remember, bigger muscles shouldn't mean smaller testicles. Balance your gains for long-term health and performance. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep those gains coming.